Today we're going to show you how to make a keto chili that is blowing up right now. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get all our recipes. This recipe by Low Carb Yum has received a 4.5 star rating. That's 4.5 out of 5. It's really high. And it's just 5 net carbs. Let's get into the recipe now. My heat to medium, and to a medium-sized pot, you're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Don't bother adding any oil or anything like that. You'll get that from the beef. I've broken up the meat, and you are going to brown this meat completely before we add anything else. Browned my meat without the lid on the pot, and if you have a lot of fat, once your meat is browned, you're going to drain the fat from the meat and have a dry pot. Then we're going to add 4 cups of water. Quarter teaspoon of cumin, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, quarter cup of chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, I hope I'm saying that right, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. It's gonna be hot. 3/4 teaspoons of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper. You can use cayenne if you don't have red pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of allspice powder, 6 ounces or 170 grams of tomato paste, 3 bay leaves, 1/4 cup of chili peppers or chilies. These are finely chopped, and when you chop yours, do wear gloves because you'll have chili on your hands. I've got here 64 grams of pitted olives, the Kalamata olives. If you don't like olives, you can replace them with zucchini, and you wouldn't add the zucchini now because of course it's going to wilt and overcook. You would add them 15 minutes before your chili's done. Now we're going to bring our chili to the boil, and once it starts boiling, you're going to simmer for 1 to 2 hours. The longer the better, because you know with chili, the longer it's cooked, the better it tastes. But we're going to go for 2 hours this time. While this is coming to the boil, I'm just going to stir everything in. Wow, good color. Okay, my chili's just starting to boil. So I'm turning down the heat now to a simmer, and I'm going to partially close my pot. I will be stirring my chili every, say, 15 minutes during these 2 hours, and you would do the same. Guys, this is gorgeous chili. For about maybe in the last half an hour, I did complete the rest of the simmer without, with the pot uncovered, just to reduce the water as well. And then look, it just thickened up so beautifully. So what can you have with chili? You could, if you've got a really low carb tortilla, there's no reason why. We've got a 0 carb tortilla on our channel. But if you're happy with, a 2 net carb or something like that, use that. So all I did, I'm innovative. All I did with this was I cut my tortilla up in triangles, and now look, I've got, a chip. All I did was put it under the grill and toasted it, and great solution. You can also use, this is how I freeze my bread. If you have a great bread, you know, you could toast that up, or if you have some keto cornbread, you could use that. Now let's plate this up. For one serving, it's 1 cup. You could top it off with some green onion. Look at that, guys. What? Maybe a few pieces of jalapeno, 30 grams of cheddar, and a few slices of chili pepper just to show, hey, this is chili. There is no reason why your dish shouldn't turn out exactly like mine. It is so easy, and aside from the wait time, you know, you just throw everything into the pot after browning the meat. It's really good recipe. I just had a taste of that and my mouth is still tingling with all that chili. It's not, I have a medium tolerance for chili, and I'm not, like, my mouth is not burning, you know, to the point where I need a drink of water. It's just got a tingle. I hope you get to try this recipe. It's divine. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.